Hey, Tim Leffel here, editor of Perceptive Travel and the Cheapest Destinations blog. Today we're checking out the Osprey 26-inch Ozone suitcase with 2 wheels. I left this tag on here because it shows the almighty guarantee. It says any reason, any product, any era. This is one of the reasons I really love Osprey products. I've been using them for 12 years now. I've got a suitcase that's 12 years old, a backpack that's that old, shoulder bag, some other items. None of them has ever come close to crapping out on me, but I know if it ever does, I can return it and get it fixed. If I have a wheel problem or frame problem or a zipper blows out, they will replace it or fix it. So they stand by their products, and you know you can trust them. This is really well made, but it's incredibly light. I can pick this up with my pinky. That's how light it is. It's got an aluminum frame going through it. It's got one handle, which I actually like. It's a nice handle for rolling it along, but it only has one bar going through, so you've got lots of room. You've got 2 pockets up here that are separate, so if you want to put socks and underwear or dirty clothes, whatever you want to do to keep them separate, you can put those up here. You've got these compression straps, which will really let you pack a lot into the suitcase. They clip to each other here and keep them secure, so you can keep everything in its place. Like I said, you got plenty of room on each side of that bar here, and then there's another little pocket here that's separate. They won't blend in with the rest, so another place you can put gadgets, dirty clothes, whatever you want, shoes even. If you want to keep a pair of shoes there, they won't get dirt on anything else. So just one big open space where you can pack as much as you want into and then compress it down. And then on the outside you've got these additional straps which will also keep everything tight together. And you've got these really great rollerblade kind of wheels on here. These great rollerblade kind of wheels. I'm not a big fan of 4-wheel suitcases because they get stuck in cobblestones. They don't roll along carpet very well. You have to walk them like a dog through the airport. You can't rush. But with these you can haul ass down the airport terminal runway if you're running late for your connection. And every time I leave my house in Guanajuato, Mexico, I gotta go bumpity bump over cobblestones and flagstones on my pedestrian only street, and these work great for that. Like I said, one suitcase I've had for 12 years now, and it's still going strong. You've got a place right here for your business card, and then there's also this sort of secret pocket back here which you could put dress shirts into, papers, whatever else you have that can lay flat, and this will be next to you, be nice and safe. And then also you've got this little strap that comes out here, this little clip, so if you need to hook a laptop bag on or something like that, you can hook it to the front, and when you wheel through the airport it'll all be together, and it's easier than you having to strap it on your back for an hour while you're moving along. High quality zippers that have a hole in them so you can lock them to each other and keep everything secure. So this is a 26-inch suitcase meant to be checked. It's not a carry-on. So luckily when it comes off the carousel with this color you'll be able to find it instead of a black one. But it comes in other colors as well. It's got a handle here, another handle here, and then you could pick it up by this frame on the bottom if you need to. So plenty of ways to grab it off the carousel. This is a rugged suitcase. I imagine I will be using it for the next 15 years, maybe longer, and it holds 75 liters, so you can get a lot into it when you need to check a bag. You can see more at osprey.com. This is the Ozone model, Ozone 2-wheeled 26-inch suitcase. Check it out.